Hello and welcome to Trading the Trend on Wednesday, the 7th of June 2023. Last week we went short wheat because, as you can see here on the daily financial bet, we had a downtrend and we broke through some major supports. So I wanted to go short wheat at $5.99, and it did decline for the day, but then reversed to the upside. We had this hammer formation, which was bullish, followed by 5 consecutive days of higher prices, which culminated in the spike higher yesterday as the southern Ukrainian Kakhovka dam got blown up. But that's why we had a stop loss in place, and we got stopped out on this trade at $6.32. So we made a small loss, but in the scheme of things, that is to be expected from time to time. So what we're trying to do is really, with trading the trend, is to catch major moves, and sometimes this will go wrong, but that's why we've got a stop loss in place. So this week's trading the trend is to go short the Brent crude oil futures contract at around current levels at $76.70. And the reason being that we have tried to test this $78.50 resistance area for the past month or so and failed 3 times in a row. So I would expect the same to happen again in the future, and therefore I'd like to go short from a technical perspective the Brent crude oil contract here at 76.70 with a downside target at $72 and have a stop loss just above the recent highs at $78.55 on the daily chart closing basis. So this week's trading the trend is to go short Brent crude oil at $76.70 with a stop loss at $78.55 on the daily chart closing basis and a downside target at $72.